My grandmother, my mother's mother, sang. I think I have sort of her voice. And she sang a lullaby in Yiddish, on Schläfen, mein Kind, that, and she would tell the story half in Yiddish about how she learned the song and how she learned it from a neighbor woman. And the neighbor woman sang the song. And I think it was the neighbor woman who sang it about her own life. It's about her child was an orphan because the husband had taken a boat and had died. And so it's one of these Yiddish lullabies where you sing your woes to the child and they don't know what you're talking about, and you've made my life bitter, and to the child. It's a wonderful song, and I've sung it and performed it and with guitar. And my cousin, Peter Himmelman, who performs, also has sung it to crowds, even though he performs rock music. So that was a big influence on me, this idea that we had this folk song in our family that was transmitted to us because of my grandmother's memory and because of her musicality. And that it was a folk song composed by someone she knew. Later I learned that the melody was was used for other words. So this person had taken that melody and written her own words to it. And so that was a big influence on me, I think, or touched off whatever it is that got me interested in folk music or in passing on music. Anschläfen, mein Kind, einiglich, und nehme nicht mein heißer Reus, dort bei deinen Eltern wiegelig, dort sitzt dein Mutter und weint. Sie kluckt und weint, wo sie hat dich geboren, in Zures und Bitternis und Mie. Wenn ich auf dein Taten geloren, und die bist am Monat alt gewesen.